Many people avoid sharing opinions in English, not because they have no ideas, but because they don't know how to say them. So they stay quiet, or they say, maybe, I don't know. Today's words fix that. They help you explain choices, give opinions, and sound calm, not aggressive, not unsure. Stay till the end. These words change how people listen to you.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'll explain each word and what it really means in daily English.
And I'm Emma. I'll help you understand each word with 2 clear, real-life examples.
I believe this phrase is used to share an opinion politely. It sounds confident, but not forceful.
Example. I believe this approach will work better. I believe we need more time.
In my opinion, this clearly shows something is your personal view. It helps avoid arguments.
Example. In my opinion, the plan is risky. In my opinion, communication is the issue.
Lean toward. This means you prefer one option, but you're not fully decided. Very common in meetings and discussions.
Example. I'm leaning toward option A. She leaned toward staying home.
Make a call. This means to make a final decision, often used in work situations.
Example. We need to make a call by tonight. The manager made the call.
Go with. This means to choose one option. Sounds relaxed and natural.
Example. Let's go with your idea. They went with the cheaper option.
Have second thoughts. This means you start doubting a decision. Very emotional and common.
Example. I had second thoughts after agreeing. She's having second thoughts about moving.
Weigh the pros and cons. This means thinking about advantages and disadvantages. Used when decisions are important.
Example. We should weigh the pros and cons. He weighed the pros and cons before deciding.
Stick with. This means to continue with a decision, even when it's not easy.
Example. I'll stick with my original plan. She stuck with her decision.
From what I can tell, this shows your opinion is based on what you see or know now. It sounds careful and intelligent.
Example. From what I can tell, they agree. From what I can tell, it's working.
Sleep on it. This means to delay a decision until tomorrow. Very natural spoken English.
Example. Let's sleep on it and decide tomorrow. He slept on it before answering. Confidence in English isn't loud. It's clear. Use one of today's phrases the next time you share an opinion. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more real spoken English, and comment one sentence using today's words.